How to buy crypto on Webull. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following tutorial I'm going to show you how you can buy crypto on Webull. So in order to buy crypto on Webull, first thing first, you have to check your internet connection and then log in into your Webull account. In my case, I'm using a web browser. If you're using an application, either way the procedure is going to remain the same. Now on the Webull page, you'll have to log in. After you're logged in, so Webull currently offers 4 cryptocurrencies option only, that is Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin and Ethereum or ETH. Steps to buy crypto on Webull is that you'll need to log in into your Webull account. After that, you need to request the crypto trading permissions, and then you need to deposit the money as well. After that, you need to select the crypto that you wish to buy, and then you need to monitor your investment at the same time. So basically, you'll be able to find an exchange option located in the top of your home page. All you have to do is just tap the exchange button. As soon as you do that, you'll be provided with 2 different options, that is sell or buy. So accordingly, select this buy button and then select the asset that you wish to buy. Once you've done that, you need to go through it all, and that's basically how you can buy crypto on Webull. So in that way, you can buy crypto on Webull. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.